I want to congratulate those who were elected and also thank the Electoral Commission for organizing this function very well. I also want to thank the High Command for having nominated the people whom I...
The UPDF delegates elect 10 new representatives to Parliament. The Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF, through its Defense Forces Council Electoral College, has elected 10 military representatives to Parliament for the 2026-2031 term. The election was conducted in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda and the Parliamentary Elections Act, which provide for the representation of special interest groups in Parliament. The UPDF is one of 5 special interest groups represented in the House, alongside district and city women representatives, workers representatives, youth representatives, and representatives of persons with disabilities. The election exercise was presided over by the Independent Electoral Commission, that's IEC, led by its chairperson, Justice Simon Mugenyi Byabakama. The voting took place at the Land Forces headquarters in Bombo, Luweero district, and attracted members of the Defense Forces Council drawn from across the UPDF command and leadership structures.
Although in Uganda, the culture of accepting electoral defeat is still alien to many actors.
Following a lengthy and meticulous tallying process, the IEC returning officer for the exercise, Mrs. Diana Kateba Timusime, announced the successful candidate. The newly elected UPDF representatives to the 12th Parliament are Lieutenant General Sam Ukiding, Deputy Chief of Defense Forces and Inspector General; Lieutenant General Sam Kavuma, Deputy Coordinator, Operation Wealth Creation; Lieutenant General James Mugira, Managing Director, National Enterprise Corporation; Major General Andre Masiko, Joint Staff Political Commissioner; Major General James Kinawa, Joint Staff Human Resource Management; Major General Joseph Semwanga, Deputy Commander, Land Forces; Brigadier General David Gonyi, Chief of Staff, Air Force; Colonel Knight Ikiriza, female, Special Forces Command; Colonel Sylvia Meme, female, Military Police; Colonel Christine Nakesa, female, Air Force. The Defense Forces Council meeting was chaired by the President of the Republic of Uganda and Commander-in-Chief of the UPDF, that's General Retired Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. The council comprises members of the UPDF High Command, senior officers who were in service as of 26 January 1986, chiefs and administrative of services, commandants of training institutions, brigade and battalion commanders, officers commanding equivalent units, the Defense Forces Sergeant Major, and Regional Reserve Force commanders. Earlier at the same event, President Museveni commissioned 3 officer cadets who completed their officer training abroad in December 2025. The newly commissioned officers are 2nd Lieutenant Bazalaki Tikuli, who trained in Sri Lanka, and 2nd Lieutenant Moses Ekoi and 2nd Lieutenant Pelaya Vivian, both of whom trained in Tanzania. The UPDF congratulated the newly elected and re-elected representatives to the 12th Parliament and wished them success as they prepare to serve in their tour of duty from 2026 to 2031 via Chris Magezi, Colonel and Acting Director Defense Public Information of Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs, UPDF.
I would like to commend and congratulate you, the members of the UPDF family, upon this successful electoral polling exercise.